O, since sinabi mo, mas may alam pa ako sa buhay mo, nasabi ni Bim kanina na may bago ng love life ng mama mo.
Yes. And
May bago ka ng love life.
hindi naman love life, but it just flowed. Nangyari. And he's a doctor. And I think that's part of the reason why it was easy. Kasi alam niya kung anong pinagdadaanan ko. And he's part of the reason why I'm confident na pwede akong umuwi. Kasi alam ko na there's someone who will help in taking care of me. So obviously, by saying that, alam na nila na he's a doctor based in the Philippines.
Oh,
From
Mom,
what?
I love you.
From what area in the Philippines?
Wag na yan. Tita.
Makati.
Okay.
Oh, it ends there. Makati.
okay, Mom.
Ang laki naman ng Makati, Bim.
Ay,
At maraming ospital in Makati and in BGC.
Okay, Mom.
So may dahilan, Mare, para...
Can I just say na may malaking gap naman. Hindi naman sila nagkasabay.
Oo, yeah.
At hindi siya ang dahilan kung
Walang
bakit...
overlap.
Oo, walang overlap at hindi siya yung dahilan kung bakit hindi kami naging okay.
So itong mo, Mare, bagong love life mo ngayon, ay inspirasyon mo rin para lalo kang magpalakas bukod sa mga anak mo.
No.